These AI models feels like magic, but they came from nothing. Today, we uncover the history of how we built the impossible. Story time. Our story begins in the 1950s, the baby steps of AI. The core question was, can machines think? The first researchers had a plan. They thought they could make a computer smart by giving it an exhaustive list of rules. Kind of like a recipe book. So, for example, to diagnose a cold, you give it a rule. If runny nose and cough, then cold. Simple. This was called symbolic AI. But this approach hit a massive wall. Why? Because the real world has too many rules. How do you write this set of rules to identify a cat when cats come in thousands of different shapes and colors? The system could only do what a human explicitly told it to do. This failure led to the true transformation. Researchers realized that they shouldn't program the intelligence, they should program the ability to learn. And this is the birth of machine learning. The key concept here is the artificial neural network, a simple mathematical network inspired by the neurons in your brain. So we feed the network millions of examples, say pictures of cats and dogs. So when it makes a mistake, we don't fix the code, we subtly tweak the connections or weights between the nodes. So it's basically like correcting a child. No, that's a dog. Try again. After millions of corrections like these, the network has finally successfully managed to develop its own set of rules to tell the difference. But this engine stalled for a decade. We had the concept, but we lacked two important things: the fuel and the power. Fuel, which is massive amounts of data, and power, which are fast enough computers. Now get ready, because this is where nothing truly transforms into intelligent systems like Gemini or ChatGPT. This is the decade of deep learning. Deep learning is just machine learning, but with much bigger, deeper neural networks with a lot of deep hidden layers. And finally, the missing ingredients arrived, which were the fuel and the power. From where the fuel arrived with internet and the rise of social media, where trillions of words and pictures came flowing in, enough to train our engine. The power arrived with powerful gaming graphics cards or GPUs. The final leap was the transformer architecture. The concept transformer came in with an intelligent ability called attention. Older models forgot the beginning of a long sentence. For example, in the sentence, the bank of the river is muddy, the network pays attention to the word river and instantly knows that bank means shore and not a financial institution. This leads us to large language model, a massive transformer changed on a significant chunk of all human knowledge. Its job is simple. Given a sequence of words, predict the next most likely word. The magic is that by mastering this one simple task millions of times, the model implicitly learned grammar, reasoning, sentence framing, facts, and creativity. When you talk to ChatGPT or Gemini, you are witnessing the world's greatest word predictor in action. So the journey from nothing to incredible was the convergence of three major ingredients: engine, power, and fuel.